Hey, welcome back guys. Okay, now that we're set up on our PHP, let's get started. Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's open a new folder. I'm going to go into my C drive, examp, htdocs. You can just create a new folder right here. So just call it PHP intro and save it. Select folder. We're going to open up a file. I'm going to call it index.php now. So right here, just hover, and this here is folder, this is file. So index.php. Now that that's created, I hope you know HTML, CSS, a little JavaScript as the prerequisites. You don't have to know JavaScript, but it helps. So exclamation mark tab. Now we have our HTML boilerplate. So keep in mind this is an extension of .php, so we have an HTML boilerplate within our PHP file. We can do PHP anywhere, even above, even up here. We can do our PHP and receive things. So right now within the body, let's just learn some basic syntax of PHP. So there's opening and a closing tag, so just put a less than question mark PHP. Go down a little bit, let's do a question mark greater than. So anything that happens in here is our PHP. So the basic syntax is a string, so anything, any words are strings. Close that off with a semicolon. So let's give it a variable name. Variable names start with the $. Name of, you can call it anything. Just put the equal sign after. And name of variable. Let's save that. Now let's pull our screen to the side. Gonna need a new tab, so I'm just gonna pull one over from here to the right. Alright, to see this in our browser, we want to type in localhost. Then we give a slash and then PHP intro or whatever you called your folder. And we're in. Make this so you can see it better. Okay, if we want to print this variable out onto the screen, I'm going to copy. So go down here. There's a keyword echo. Echo is what pushes something out onto the screen from your backend. Control V. Make sure to put the closing semicolon, save that. Let's refresh over here now. And words here are strings. So we printed out the value of our variable by using echo. Now if we have another word, I'm going to put it underneath something. You can call it whatever you like. I'm just going to say hello world, save that. Let's refresh over here. copy that variable name. If you want to put it after, got to use the dot. The dot will concatenate or pretty much glue something else within that echo. Let's save. Refresh here. And as you can see, the hello world printed out. And there's no space here though. There's no space between. If you want space, let's go over here and put some quotes and give that space within the quotes. And make sure to put another dot afterwards. Otherwise you get an error. Save that. Refresh. And there's our space. Okay, now after the echo, you can also, if you want this to be, say, an H2 tag or any type of tag, you can also concatenate a tag in there. So H2. Now let's not forget to put our dot. And at the end, before that semicolon, let's put another dot. Some quotes, and then inside there, H2 closing tag. Save that. Refresh over here. And now it's in an H2 tag. Okay. Let's pull it over. So far we just learned what strings are and variables. Variable holds the value of, it can be a string. Now if it was a number, you don't put any quotation marks, you just put the number. Let's see, refresh. 3. Okay, so variable, number, string, we got echo, we got concatenation, and remember they're within these p tags, PHP, opening and closing tags. Okay, that's our first lesson. Let's leave it at that for now. See you on the next one. Thanks a lot, guys.